Hi guys! Today we are doing a super fun get ready with me. I'm basically going to try and recreate wonyoung's makeup. If you don't know who wonyoung is, she's in IVE. She's literally, I think, 4th gen it girl. Do you guys watch K-pop? I watch K-pop. I listen to K-pop. I guess you don't really watch it. You like listen. Anyway, doesn't matter. We're doing a get ready with me and I'm doing my makeup and I'm so excited. You guys really know my base routine by now. I'm just using orange color corrector. This is by, I think, LA Girl. And then I use my foundation. And right now I'm using NARS. And I really love this foundation so much. I think it looks so natural. And so I'm like obsessed with it. I'm watching like a video on the side, just like I'm side-eyeing it because he said something a little bit. I'm like, did you mean to say that out loud? You know what I'm saying? Now I'm going in with my Sailor Moon blush and we're going to start the base for the blush routine. So I'm doing a lot of blushes. Okay, first I'm actually powdering. Now I'm doing the blush. Okay, so I'm starting with a little dot. I'm using Girl Power. I'm using like NYX. Everything will be listed below, so don't worry about it. And then I'm going in and I'm doing like all over blush, and then I'm going to focus it with this Benefit lip tint. It is a lip tint, but I'm using it as a blush because it's like the tone that I'm kind of wanting, and I'm focusing it really close to the eyes because I feel like that's what emulates the photo. I think something to keep in mind too is like wonyoung has a different cute, wow. Anyway, wonyoung has a different face shape than me, and so this may not be the most flattering look on me, but I just wanted to get it close to the picture. I'm using an orange blush, as you can see, and it was provided to me by yesstyle. Thank you so much, yesstyle, for sending me these products. When they sent me is this Purito SEOUL Wonder Relief Centella Daily Sun Lotion, and I love it. It's a sunscreen. It blends in. It literally looks like you're not wearing anything, which I like because I can't do a white cast, and this does not do a white cast at all. Literally so good. This is the Bling Glow Liquid Cream Blusher. It's in a coral shade. I'll be completely honest, this one I feel like doesn't show up that well. So I liked using it as a color corrector on my eye because it was very subtle, but it still had a little bit of color to it, so it looked good. I think my paler skin tone baddies are gonna look really good in this. This is the Berrisom Real Me Bouncy Lip Balm, and it's really nice. It's definitely like a coral, kind of leaning more red lip balm, but I do like it and it feels good on the lips. Then we have the Fairy Jewel eye glitter, which I'll be using today as well. This is just your typical eye glitter, but it works really well. It's great, and I love that it's in this little form here, so I can easily apply it, and it dries, which is really great and good for like K-pop makeup looks. Lastly, I got this CODE Glow Color Fix on Glow Tint, which I love. It is essentially a lip tint, but it's in this really pretty pink shade, and I love it. I've gotten a lot of compliments when I wear it at work. And if you're curious to buy any of these, then definitely use PamFam13 when you're checking out to save some coin. Back to the video, I'm going in and I'm doing a little bit of contouring with that lip tint from Benefit. I'm just adding blush to certain areas that I feel like there's blush on the photo, which I think can make you look really like cutesy and kind of like dewy and youthful, which I don't know, I like it. So I'm adding it to under my eye, my eyebrows, and then I'm going to be blending it out in just a second. This is me using my beauty blender to blend all that out, and then I am going to go over this with more blush, and so I don't know, I feel like I used a ton of blush. I think maybe if you're lighter skin tones you won't have to use so much, but because I am, you know, a dark-skinned beautiful princess, which I am, a princess, bye-bye, yeah, I have to use like darker shades to make the blush show up more, but like I said, I'm just blending this out. And then the next thing I'm gonna do are contouring, okay? Contouring the cheeks, but not too much, just, you know, to give a little bit more definition. Yep, you already know what it is. We're just contouring, doing the cheek, the jawbones. Gonna do a little bit of that nose contour. I first tried to do it the way I feel like hers is done in the photo, but then I was like, you know, we don't have the same nose, so like, is this a good idea? But then I was already in so deep at that point, so I was like, fuck it, you know, like, whatever, we're just gonna do it, like, it doesn't even matter. But anyway, now I'm smoking out my lower lash line with the brown. I'm gonna be using a brown liquid liner by ColourPop to just emphasize my eye bags, which is cute. It's like, in Korea, it's like cool to do that, okay? I promise you I'm not lying. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on some of that lip tint just to like get it, you know, tinting while I do the rest of my makeup. And then I'm going to switch over to adding on this glitter. This is the fairy glitter that I had, and I think I show you what it looks like in a second. Maybe I don't. Maybe I just like am a bad YouTuber and literally never show you what it looks like. I hope I move my, there we go. You can kind of see it. Oh, look at that. It looks so good. Now we're going to take a black liquid liner, and I'm adding the tiniest, like, baby wing. I don't really know how to do wing liner, so I'm adding tiny ones. I'm also adding, like, moles, because wonyoung has moles. I also have, like, little beauty mark mole things, so I'm also just emphasizing those as well. And so begins the dramatic process of me now trying to do my lips. So I literally put on like 5 different lip things. I'm not even gonna try to like list them all out. I will just list them in the like description. Probably not, you know, like right now, because I kind of have to go. Like, I'm about to post this right now, but like when I get back from my ATEEZ concert, I definitely will. Oh my god, you guys, I'm going to the ATEEZ concert. I'm so excited. I'm gonna shake my butt. I'm gonna look so cute. I literally don't know what I'm gonna wear yet because I waited till the last minute, but it's okay. I'm still so excited, and I can't wait to just be like a thought. And my bias is wonyoung, so I don't know. I'm not really like expecting anything other than just to have a good time and stuff. But I was thinking about making a sign. If I can get this video done fast enough, then I'm gonna make a sign and I'm gonna put something cute on it, like wonyoung, I love you. You're such a baddie. You're my baddie, and I love you. You're my inspiration. You're the inspiration to all baddies in the world. Really, I'm not a baddie. I'm more like a princess. But honestly, I'm getting so distracted. Oh my god, where are we? Oh, okay. So I just put on lashes. I got these from AliExpress. These are like really wide spaced out kind of K-pop lashes. I'll link them. I am putting that on. I don't know what else I did. I was talking, so this is not good tut. Okay, sorry. Not me saying tut. Tutorial is what I would say. Yikes. Anyway, like I said, just doing a million different lip things. I also added blush, so when you're looking at the product list and you're like, what did she put on her lips? I put on SEOUL lip oil. I put on all of the blushes that I wore today. I put on my lip in some way, and blended it out to the best of my ability, essentially. And oh, I think I did my eyebrows at some point. I literally just used the Romand palette, that like purple shade in that. Oh, now I'm putting on highlighter. Lord, should I like I don't have time to re-record it. Listen, it's a vibe. It's okay. Literally, we're just girls. We're girls, and you know, people who don't identify that, we're just us and them, you know? Like, we're princesses and we just vibe, and it doesn't matter. Like, you see what I'm doing right now? It's fine. Now I'm adding what is this called? Highlighter, and I'm doing it to my nose. Essentially, that's it, because I feel like that's where it like shows on the photo. And I'm essentially done after I blend it out. Oh my god, that was so fun. Please, I'm so that was fun. Bye. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the subscribes to me. Okay? Thank you so much. I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video, whenever that may be. I'm just kidding. It'll probably not be next. It'll be next week. I'm sure it'll be next week. It's fine. It's been so fun. Bye.